When you block someone on Snapchat, they will no longer be able to send you snaps or see any of your public posts. Blocking someone will also unfriend them on Snapchat. To block someone, go to their profile. You can do this by clicking on their Bitmoji. Tap on the 3 dots on the upper right of the screen. Tap Manage Friendship. Continue by tapping Block. It will ask for a confirmation. Tap Block to proceed. To unblock someone, go to your profile by tapping on your Bitmoji. Tap on the gear icon to navigate to your settings. Scroll to the bottom of the page. Tap on Blocked. Here, you'll see a list of the users that you've blocked. Tap on the X by the person that you'd like to unblock. Finally, it'll ask you to confirm whether or not you want to unblock this user.